Maggay. Oops, and one. Dulin sa corner. Aban. Coach Sokos of the glass. Bakit? Outer Lumba. In and out. Huli. Pushing foul. In and out. Rebound Ramos. Put back. And one. Idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa quarterfinals ng Cagayan Intertown Apong League 2024 para sa laban ng Igig at Alcala. Ramos versus si Baluka. First ball, Team Alcala. And here's pass to the middle, si Baluka. Bounce pass, Maggay launch on 3. Bang! First block. Aban. Pass to the middle, Tamayo. Setting the play. Tamayo. Pass to the corner. Aban. Bounce pass. Diayat, crossover. Light floater. In and out. Maggay. Pass to the corner. Pull up, J. Lumba. Bakit? Ilayat to Tamayo. To the corner. Aban. Ilayat. Pass to the corner. Tamayo. Another 3. Bang! Zamora spins. Zamora. He attacks. Pass to the corner. Floater. Lumba short. And si Baluka di maitulak. And Cage fires. No good. And rebound by Ilayat. Long pass to Tamayo. Tamayo. Crossover. Drives. Tulin. To the middle. Aban. Floater. Bakit? Stall by Zamora. Long pass. Aban. Aban. Pass to the middle. Si Baluka bumangga. Stop. Fire. Short. Dulin. Dulin goes to the rim of the glass. Bakit? Zamora. Sumigway. Bumangga. Wide open for 3. Short. Rebound Aban. Here's Ilayat. Ilayat. Pass to Tamayo. Dulin sa corner. Aban. Bumangga. Coach Sokos of the glass. Bakit? Zamora. To Maggay. Goes to the rim. Kicks out. Floater Lumba. In and out. Huli. Pushing foul. Pass to Dulin. Corner pass. Aban. Pass to Ilayat. Goes to Dulin sa 3. In and out. Rebound Ramos. Put back. And one. Maggay. Maggay to the hoops. And one. Ilayat. Pass to Dulin. Pass to the corner. Inside pass Aban. Pull up J. Bakit? Maggay. Maggay to the middle. Kicks out. Zamora. Floater. Back. In and out. Tungkol. Nag-agawan. Tungkol. Recover sa gilid. Si Baluka. And pass. Pass back. Ilayat for 3. Off the mark. Zamora, long pass. Pass back Zamora. Ay, nice. Maggay. Ilayat. May pass to Tamayo. Dulin. Step back for 3. Off the mark. Inbound. Pass to the middle. Fires. Bakit? Perfect execute. Cool. Zamora. 3-5 ang laban of the wing. Well, good. Natapikan. Stolen. And pass break. Aban. Easy to Aban. Maggay. Stops to the middle. Si Baluka. Aban. Pass to Lumba. Inside pass. Bumangga sa Zamora. Create space. Bakit? Process the mid lane. Ilayat at the top. Pass to Tamayo. Pass to Manuel. Ilayat. Tamayo wide open for 3. Too strong. And Zamora. Bounce pass Maggay. Binit-bit. Lace off the glass. Ilayat. Crossover. Ilayat. Nakalusot. Pinasa sa kay Lumba. Long pass. Tungkol. Goes to the rim. Reverse layup. Yes sir. Menes. Long pass. To the middle. Zamora. To the middle. Pinabitin. Bakit? for that. Pass to Guzman. Jimenez. Guzman. Bounce pass to Dulin. Dulin drives, plays too strong. Zamora. He goes to the rim of the last, too strong. Rebound. Up. And far si Baluka. The strong move and one. And Surita. Pass to the middle, San Juan. The bounce pass inside si Baluka. Dalawa yung gumardya. Pass to Rita, floater, bucket. So Rita. For the backdoor inbound. Oops, goal kicks out. Pull up J. Off guard. One, San Juan. Pinararo. Bucket point one. So Rita. Tungkol pull up J. Bucket. Goal side. Tamayo. Cross pass, Pix, Jimenez, pull, it kicks out. Tamayo, a 3, bang! Tamayo, bounce pass inside. Aban, lumusot, kicks out. Jimenez, Dulin, Pix, drives. Pull up J, off the glass, Dulin! Nakalusot, 1 on 3. San Juan. Tamayo. 3 on 3 ang laban. He goes. Rubias inside. Alley-oop pass. Zamora. This corner. Pull up J. Good. Reverse layup. Tungkol. Finish. Tamayo. He uses the screen. Step back for 3. Bang! Tamayo 3. Magay. And to the air traffic of the glass. Bucket. Magay. Tamayo. Side step. Pinasa. Ramos reverse layup. Ramos. Magay. Pass to Zamora. Filipino step. Oops. Case to the corner. Pull up J. Short. Zamora. Libreng. Wala. Ilayat. Pass to. And here's Ilayat sa 3. Bang! 3 point. Magay. And Hari. Natapikan. Pass break. Naunan si Ilayat. Ilayat kinaliwa. Good. He set the play. And Riggs. Magay. Put backs inside. Hooks at Togas. No good. Put back. Black. Put back. Cabildo with the finish. Ilayat. Subog. Ilayat. Stops. Pull up J. Bucket. Ilayat. Zamora. Stops. Fires. Short. Rebound. Pass break. Nauna na. Ilayat. Easy to. Ilayat. And a long pass. Magay. Kinasahan si Coach. Si Coach ang nakareceive ng bola. Ilayat. Corner. Pass. Ilayat. Corner pass. Ilayat. At 3. Bang! 10 seconds on the game clock. 5. Zamora for the tie. In and out. And you go. And may foul pa. And to the middle floater. Bucket. Baseball pass. Another pass. Sakto yung pass. Lazy Ilayat. Too strong. Zamora. Fires block. Backdoor inbound. And kicks out. Lumba. Baluka. Corner side Baluka. Break the space of the glass. Tips in. No good. Ilayat. Pass to Tamayo. Corner pass. Ilayat. Corner Tamayo. Or 3. Bang! Maggay to the middle, lost the ball, pass break, and Ilayat plays the bucket. 41, 4-point lead for team Lumibitin. Ilayat, pass to Tamayo, to Ilayat. Taban, sa gitna, Manuel. Taban, Bones, gilid. Takes Ilayat, pull up J, won't go. Up, Baluka. Maggay, pinasa, easy to. Tamayo. First at 3, block at the back. Ace, my foul. And 3-point lead for team Gigig. Tagilid, down to Ilayat. To Aban. Tas to Ilayat. Aban. Ilayat. Sa 3. Bang! 3-point. Maggay, bounce pass. Zamora, block, but naitira pa rin. It's Tamoy. Long pass. 2-on-1 ang laban. Ilayat, pinasa, Aban, easy 2. With the ball. Sumegway, stop, pull up J at long 2, bucket. And pass Ilayat to Tamayo. Ilayat to Aban, to Ilayat. Tamayo, fakes, stops, Ilayat. Sumegway, sa 3, short. Tungkol, Maggay. Pass to Zamora, spins. Pass off the glass, Zamora! Boys na mid-range. At the logo. To Aban. Sa 3. Okay. And Maggay. Pinasa sa loob. Libreng-libre. Tungkol easy 2. Dulin. Open for 3. Bang! Dulin! Zamora. To the corner. Kicks out. Launch on 3. Short. And libreng-libre. Hook shot. Tungkol. And it's Dulin. Spins. Dulin. Kicks out. Pull up J. Short. Rebound. Niya. Ayun. Pull up J. Off mark. Zamora goes to the rim. Pass off the glass. Zamora. Dumistansya. Umatake. Spins. Corner. Picks. Please. And here gets Cabildo. Zamora. Side step. Please. So good. And rebound. Pull up J. Off the mark. Tungkol, bumangga, fires, no good. And the long pass, Ilayat plays, off the glass, bucket. 5, 4, si Baluka, bitawan. Cabildo. Pass Zamora. Fourth quarter action. Zamora Sumigway, umatake, release, short. And a pass break. Eksakto, pass break ngayon. Aban, Jimenez, easy 2, Jimenez. Maggay, behind the back, Maggay, bumangga, pass. And it's Jimenez, pass to the middle. Aban, Dulin, bumangga, block. And it's Zamora. Is on Horace, Zamora, Sumigway sa gitna. Natapkan, naagawan Tamayo. Long pass, Dulin, pinabitin, block. The inbound. Aban, sa gitna, Jimenez, Tamayo. And uses the screen. Crossover, Tamoya. Sa gitna, Aban. Please, kinaliwa, bucket. And here you go. Number 7. Lumba. Pass to si Baluka. Spins. Pass in Araro, wala. Tamayo, crossover. Tamayo. Pass to Aban. Dulin, bounce pass inside. Ramos, short. Ramos, strong power. Reverse. Layup, block. At nakadandusay si Idol. Zamora bumangga. Bryce Black. Libre tungkol. Pass to Dulin. Pass to Ramos. Natapikan. Agaw. Lumbag. Binitbit. Oy! Layup sa malayo. Nabitabol. Dribbling sa Megway. Umatake sa gitna. Libre. Tungkol with the finish. And pass to Dulin. Pass to the middle. Inside pass. Apan bumangga. Black. And there's si Baloka. Zamora. Pass inside. Another fist. And one. Uy, na-anspo pa. Anspo. Uy. Takan. Uy. Zamora. Si Baloka. Crossover spin. So, Baloka. Hook shot. Oh! And inside pass. Pass off the glass. Bakit? Manuel. Magday. And a 5-point lead for Team Alcala versus Dulin. Maggay. Step back sa 3. Short. Battle for the rebound. Tungkol. Pass to the middle. Si Baloka against Gutierrez. Si Baloka lays. My foul. For the free throw. Zamora. Pinaya sa tungkol. Tungkol with the finish. Tamayo. Gutierrez. Laya. Crossover. Nakalusot. Black. Ayat. Si Aban. Wide open. Tamayo. Sa mark. Rebound. Zamora. Si Baloka. Nabitawan. Baseball pass. Tamayo lays. Oh, in and out. Maggay. Crossover. Natapikan. Stolen. And Mayo. And nabakit na. Tamayo. Aban. Dulin. Pass to the middle. Tamayo. Ilayat. Kicks out. Dulin for 3. Bang! And 4-point lead. Maggay. Natapikan. The backdoor inbound. And Zamora. And attacks. Oops. And last throw for Zamora. Bucket. Congratulations, Team Alcala. 75-69.